I'm Jim Temmel. I work for Ozinga Brothers as a security engineer. I primarily head up anything cybersecurity related in the company.
I'm Alex Kropenicki. I'm the Director of Network Support at Ozinga. Ozinga is a concrete manufacturer, but we have businesses throughout the industry, supplying vertical integration from materials and transporting of all of our goods, and we have around 3,000 employees. So for the OT environments and the IoT kind of devices, it's a huge risk for us. And since we're a concrete construction company, we have a lot of PLCs out there, and we wouldn't want in a lockout tagout situation where everything's locked down so they're working or doing maintenance or something. We wouldn't want anyone starting up some motor that could harm someone. So we even have a separate firewall solution just for the OT so that it's as locked down as possible. We need to be able to administer it, but we also don't want anyone using it whatsoever. So having oversight in that environment is even more important than our data center because, there's people live at stake, and we really don't want anyone getting into that.
In terms of OT and IT visibility, it's extremely important because without that visibility, we don't know what's going on in our network. And that was a huge issue that we had in the beginning when we were looking for Lumu. Was we don't have a lot of great visibility. We don't have like that one pane of glass we can go to and see all the traffic and see what's a threat. Lumu takes that out of the equation by ingesting all of that information for us and giving us that single pane of glass so that if there is a threat, Lumu knows about it and it's giving me all of the pertinent information. Earlier this year, we had a user become compromised through a phishing link, and the attacker was already in trying to do his thing, and his command and control server was a domain that was listed as malicious in Lumu. So as soon as he was installing his malware onto the guy's machine and phoning back home, Lumu picked up that domain that he was using. So immediately it already saw, okay, that's the domain, this is the IP it's under, and Lumu blocked all that stuff. So it basically cut the guy off immediately. What gives me the greatest peace of mind about Lumu is that I don't need to be always at it and always attentive to make sure that threats are being blocked in the environment. So Lumu, with the integration in SentinelOne, we have integrations with other security tools as well. As soon as Lumu detects an alert, it already has the IP address that was used, file hashes if necessary, and it's already taking action on our behalf to push remediation to those tools. So SentinelOne will block network traffic, they'll block the file hashes. We have, firewall integrations as well that take action on.
By using the SIEM tool, we pretty much had a lot of bad data. It was just, look at all this data, it's a bunch of garbage, and you sort through it. It's like needle in the haystack. What do I actually want to look at? So Lumu is pinpointing malicious traffic, whether it's coming through email or some other event log source. You're able to see what's happening, what's bad, and where did it come from.
The way I would describe Lumu in our security stack is that it's basically acting in the place of a SIEM, but if you allowed that SIEM to take actions on your behalf. Because a lot of things that occur on the network, they usually don't happen during business hours. And we're a small team, so we don't have the manpower to just stay up all night watching the logs, watching for alerts. So if something occurs at like 3 a.m., we're all asleep. We can't do anything about it. So that gives attackers free reign to do whatever they want. Lumu, he's that guy that's up 24 hours looking at the threats, looking at the data, and if action's necessary, they raise the alert. They hook into your integrations, and they just do it all for you.